Hello, I'm in a 2014 Volkswagen Passat, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go right here, and this lever you'll pull. Heard a little pop, that should have been the safety release. If this is no tension at all, you might want to dig behind this plastic, make sure all the cables are connected and tight, relatively tight. If not, you need to address that. And then from the front, you should see the hood slightly loose now with a little give, at which point we'll look for the release. There it is. So it's right above the cymbal, so you'll pinch and lift. That's it. This is what it looks like from here. That's the part it was hooked onto with the safety, and the cable's connected through that. If you're still having issues, maybe you need some debris cleaned out of here or WD-40 to loosen it. And then sometimes if your hood or components are off a line, might need to readjust them to center so it works properly. And then worst case, all else fails, these parts are fairly inexpensive to replace. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.